Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to add signature in iPhone. So first, you have to open this Notes app and then click here to open a new note. Sorry guys, so click here to open a new note. Next, click this to start your notes, your title, and then just type your notes over here. After that, if you're done, you can click on this markup tool over here that's shaped like a pencil icon and click on the plus symbol over here and click add signature. And then you can sign your name using a stylus or using your finger like this. If you don't like it, you can click here, clear, to clear the board and then start over like this. And if you like it enough, you can click done over here and your signature will be added to your notes like this. And then you can edit the weight of the strokes. You can change the color. Also, you can resize it. Like this and arrange the location in the notes. So that's how you add your signature in Notes app. This will be helpful to know when you need to sign a scanned document so you don't have to print it first. You can do it in your iPhone. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel. You can also leave a comment if you have something you want to share to us, and I'll see you in other tutorial videos from this channel. Bye!